No makeup, sans makeup. There's Miss Sparrow Lester.
Hi.
Say hello to everybody on YouTube.
Hi, everybody.
Whoop! Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
On YouTube.
On YouTube. I'm eating.
Today, that cereal is empty. We need to put that dish away. Today, we are going to show everyone there in YouTube land how to make peanut butter and jelly. And applesauce.
Yeah.
Well, not from scratch, but we like to use this kind of bread. It's the Hawaiian, those King's Hawaiian buns. They make a bread, they make all kinds of stuff, so we're going to use that because it's got a little bit of sweetness to it. The sweetness! Sparrow is going to assist, she promised. We're getting some shadows there, so let's move her over here. Maybe this will work. Maybe I do this, huh? That helps a little bit. Well, we have two options of jam. You gonna help, Sparrow? Boo-boo?
What?
You wanna help Mama? Are you gonna drink up? Are you gonna drink up? Woo! All right. Bring your stool over.
Mama finger, mama.
There, there, there.
Here I am, here I am.
How do you do?
Mother finger, mother.
Mother finger. Mother finger.
Mother finger.
Ooh.
Mama finger, mama finger.
A little bit better, hey? Hi. We need a cameraman. Hey, anybody out there in YouTube land, you know how to work a camera?
I got a ball.
Take your bread.
Take a bread.
Woo! Careful.
I'm gonna take a bread.
Well, it's in this packaging. What's this packaging? Like double sealed. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Should we make one or two sandwiches?
Two sandwiches.
Two?
Yeah. One bag.
Oh wow, this bread is really, really good. Heartbreaks and promises, I've had more than my share.
I gotta sit. I gotta sit. One. I gotta sit, Mama.
You do? Where's
Yeah.
your monkey?
It's on a table.
Is he? So, we are going to put our cutting board down. We have Concord grape. And we have this here squeezable strawberry. I'm excited for both. Are you excited?
Yeah.
She gets excited. So we take our... You can use a knife. However, here at Sparrow Lester's house, we use rainbow silverware. That's right, rainbow silverware. This color is called unicorn. And take the back of the spoon just like that. And you spread on the peanut butter. We like to use crunchy peanut butter, but at home you can use whatever you want.
I want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's probably a good idea, huh?
Yeah.
Sparrow have a chance. Let me just put a little bit extra. I like extra peanut butter. Do you like extra peanut butter, Sparrow?
Yeah.
Okay. So you take it.
Take
Take the spoon.
spoon.
Get a big glob of peanut butter on there. She's great at this. All right.
Put them in.
Uh-huh. And then you spread it on.
Put it on.
Yep.
How to make spread it on.
That's right. And while she's spreading, I'm going to show y'all how to do the grape. Sometimes it'll be all like congealed, so you got to like work it out. And you don't want it to be in one big lump. You want it to be in bits. So that it spreads easy. Hey! That's cheating. With that spoon. Good thing we have the same germs. Good job. Is that enough peanut butter on that slice of bread, Sparrow? I don't think so. I think we need more. There.
Yes, I do.
Yes, she does. All right, so we'll finish doing the peanut butter on this one. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. You need it in your mouth? Okay, we will make that happen. All right, 2 almost done peanut butter sandwiches. There we go.
I'm gonna do this.
Here, you want to do what? We totally washed our hands before this. What do you got there, Sparrow? Show the folks at home what you're playing with. What is that?
That's a bar.
No, it's not a ball. It's a nose. This is a Walgreens red nose. It's like some type of charity. I would advertise it for them, but I don't know. You want to go? You want to have a go? And these squeezables are really, really nice. I like these a lot. It makes it a lot easier to spread the jam, spread the love. I can help you. You got it? Woo! Honk honk. Sparrow's clown. What's your clown name, Sparrow?
Thurber.
Thurber? I like that clown name. That's a good clown name. All right, so we got 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Looking good. Now it's time for the knife. Now, you may use a different knife at home. I'm a professional. Some people, believe it or not, like to grill their PB&Js. Some people like to put bananas on them. I know that Elvis was a fan of bananas and fried peanut butter sandwiches. So here we got our grape. And here we got our, nope, that was our strawberry. This one's our grape. But for the finishing touch, we're going to do some applesauce, crisscross applesauce. And today we are going to use Mott's. Tropical, because it got mango. Sparrow has a pony named Mango. All right, I think we're about done here. Should we tell everybody goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you later, Forum.
See you later. Hi, I'm
See ya.